Hello and welcome to my estate video. I have done similar video regarding money wheel, but I just wanted to record this one again just to give you a very quick overview of what money wheel is and how to use it in your back office. I am going to dash straight to my back office and show you how to use this money wheel. Okay, so if you are in estate, you should be able to have access to this page. This is the reward page. This is what estate have decided to add to the back office to make sure that every single member of estate is rewarded with up to $1,000. Okay, so the money wheel enables you to do that by spinning the wheel. When you spin the wheel, you will stand a chance of winning $1,000. Okay, at least up to $1,000. From 5 cents up to $1,000, you stand a chance to win that. Okay, and for you to have the ETK that is required to spin the wheel, you need to be able to log in into your account on a daily basis, claim your e-tokens. You need to be able to purchase a property. Minimum to purchase a property is $10. That will earn you a reward in ETK, including your daily profit that is going to be coming into your back office, into your portfolio, into your e-wallet as a result of you purchasing a fraction of that property. We will earn between 0.3% to 1% Mondays to Friday. So once you are in e-estate as a member, okay, as a registered member, you've completed your KYC, you purchase a fraction of your real estate. Okay, remember, the more money you use to purchase a real estate, the more e-token you will get. So therefore, once that is done, you will have your e-token here. All you need to do is to come back to your back office, click on rewards tab and select money wheel. When you select money wheel, this page will open. It will tell you your total ETK balance, right? And then you will see a button for you to spin. And it's also telling you here that one spin is equal to 100 ETK, which means if you spin it once, it will deduct 100 ETK from your total balance. So right now, I am going to spin the wheel and see if I can win money by spinning it. So I'm going to spin it. There you go. So I just won $1. And just like the way I won $1, you can also win $1,000 depending on where the pointer or the wheel stops on the pointer. You will win that money. So this is how to use the money wheel in your back office. Is available to everybody in estate. Every single member that have registered and completed their KYC and have purchased a fraction of a real estate or property, you have access to the money wheel. You can do this every single day as long as you have a minimum of 100 e-token in your back office. And for you to do that, you will be required to register. If you haven't registered, the link to do so is below this video description. Click the link, follow all the instructions, complete the registration page, complete your KYC immediately, and then purchase your real estate. Once you have purchased your real estate, you will now have access to this money wheel. You will be able to spin the wheel, and you will also be able to earn on a daily basis between 0.4 or 0.3% to 1% on a daily basis. You can also withdraw daily. Remember, we don't just earn in estate, we withdraw daily as well. The minimum to withdraw is $1. So if you are making a profit of $1 on a daily basis, you will be able to withdraw that, which to me, it is accessible to everybody. Okay, so they've made it easy for everybody to participate in this wonderful and great platform. So I look forward to seeing you guys in my team. If you would like to register with the link below this video description, I will see you later on. Thank you and God bless.